guys, welcome back to my tantalizing bites. If you love Panera Bread, you are gonna love the recipe I am sharing with you today. Panera Bread's famous Frontega chicken sandwich. This delicious sandwich is filled with juicy chicken, a creamy, spicy chipotle mayo, and fragrant basil, gooey mozzarella cheese. It is super satisfying. You are gonna love how easy this recipe is. We are gonna make it right now, so come with me into my kitchen. We are gonna start off with 4 chicken breasts. To this, we're gonna add a teaspoon each of salt, red chili flakes, oregano, garlic powder, and black pepper. Once your chicken is nicely coated with all the spices, you're going to set it aside for at least 30 minutes. And if you can do this overnight, that's even better. Now, while my chicken is marinating, I'm just going to slice up a couple of tomatoes, half an onion. I'm going to use purple onion today because if you go to Panera Bread, usually they have the purple onion in the Frontega sandwich. Fresh basil leaves play a very important role in this sandwich. So I'm just going to take a few basil leaves, I'm going to wash them up nicely and pat them dry, and I'm going to put those inside my sandwich. Now we're going to get started on the delicious Chipotle mayo. For this, I'm going to use a small can of Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. I'm just going to finely chop these Chipotle peppers. You can actually do this step in a blender. You can just throw in your mayonnaise and your Chipotle peppers with the adobo sauce into your blender and just blend until you have a nice smooth consistency. I do like a little bit of chunk in my sauce. That's why I'm cutting them up. And if you want to make your life even easier, you can just buy the ready-made Chipotle mayo that is easily available in the condiments aisle of your local grocery store. So now that my peppers are all cut up, I'm going to add all the sauce and the peppers in a bowl with about half a cup of mayo and mix really well until it's nice and smooth. Today I will be making these sandwiches using these delicious hoagie rolls that I picked up from my local supermarket's bakery department. They're made fresh every day and they are very economical, but you can use ciabatta bread or focaccia bread as well. You're going to use a good quality fresh mozzarella for the sandwich. Heat up about a tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat and start placing your chicken in an even layer. I know I mentioned 4 chicken breasts in the beginning of the recipe, but I actually have a 5th chicken breast, which I'm going to be using later on in the week for another recipe. So I'm just going to cover this up and cook it for 10 minutes per side because we do not have thin cut fillets. We have the whole chicken breast. If you're using thin cut fillets, you just need to do it for 5 minutes per side. But it is so much easier to just leave the chicken as it is because we're going to slice it up anyway once it is cooked. Also, I would like to mention here that 1 whole chicken breast is good for 2 sandwiches. After cooking it for 10 minutes on each side, it has become perfectly golden and delicious. It's so juicy and tender. Look at that. I just used my tongs and it just cut right through like butter. We are gonna thinly slice this chicken up, and this actually goes really well over a salad if you don't want to have a sandwich. It goes great even on rice or pasta. It's a great and very versatile chicken recipe that you can use for a variety of things. Now that my chicken is all sliced up, it is time to get ready to assemble our delicious sandwiches. I'm going to start by slathering that delicious creamy Chipotle mayo very generously on both sides. Next, we're going to heap up some chicken slices on top of this. Top with some purple onion. Add your tomatoes, the yummy fresh basil leaves that are going to give this sandwich a delicious, unique flavor and aroma, and our mozzarella cheese. Please be sure to use a good quality cheese in your sandwich. It does make a big difference on flavor and quality. These already look so good and they're not even ready yet. So we are going to place these in our hot panini and press them down for just a couple of minutes or until they're nicely toasted and the cheese has melted. These look super, super delicious. How good does this look? I cannot wait to dig right in. And wasn't that the easiest recipe? It was so quick to make and it is Panera Bread level, if not better. You are gonna love it. Your family will thank you for it. Do try it out and don't forget to leave me some feedback. Join me next time for more easy and delicious recipes. Bye for now.